Hey guys, thanks for tuning back into another upload. It's Thursday, it's test and tune. I found a Facebook market find, you know the deal. We're gonna go ahead and get loaded up and I'll catch you guys in just a few minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thanks for tuning back into another video. Just figuring out how to turn some of this air down a little bit. In the event my phone connects to my truck, it'll probably screw up the audio, but let's go for it anyways. In this evening's upload, we're going to do a little bit of testing. So we've made some hot adjustments to the tune, and it's on a send it pass. So stay tuned. Let's go ahead and head on to the track, and I'll pick you guys up whenever we get there.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, first pass. Slip says. I'm not going to look until we get parked. I got a thumbs up, so I don't know if that's good or they just think it's good for a Honda. We'll see. So guys, I haven't really done much of an update. First pass was a 749. Second pass was a 746. You know, we're not getting the 60 foots that we want. Ultimately, the first pass I didn't launch well enough, so we'll see what we can do. Maybe we'll get another third pass in and we'll pick it up here in just a few minutes.
Later.
Guys, I really didn't film an outro at the track, but made it home. Made 2 passes tonight. Ultimately, 2 new personal bests, a 749 and a 746. The time on the track wasn't working, so don't really know what ET the car trapped. So we'll figure that out a little bit more. I may try to hit up another drag-only car event tomorrow night. Wilkesboro is putting on one. Wilkesboro, North Carolina. Stay tuned, guys. I appreciate all the support, all the watching, all the views. If you haven't already, subscribe. Seems like a lot of my traffic on the channel is mainly non-subscribers, so do me a favor, guys. Hit that subscribe button, click on the bell. I produce usually a video or 2 a week, so look forward to seeing you in the next one, and I'll catch you guys soon. Thanks.